Good morning, everyone. I just woke up. Can you tell? Well, I just woke up and then put on my eyebrows. Well, I did a lot of things before I sat down to film this video, but I recently just woke up and I'm sure you can mainly tell because of my hair. Like, I just woke up and I was like, alright, that works. I have so many things to do today. Like, I am swamped with work right now, but I wanted to sit down and film this video. Can't take me seriously with this hair. I wanted to sit down and film this video for you guys because I know I'm not gonna have any time to do it later on today or tomorrow or the next day, so I have to film it now. So you're getting crazy today, all right? And that's just the way it is. But how have you guys been? I feel like I usually have so much to say in the beginning of my BoxyCharm videos. I usually update you guys on a couple things, but I feel like I haven't done that in a while. So I just want to know, how are you guys doing? How has June been for you guys? If it's your birthday month, happy birthday to all you crazy Geminis out there, or you crazy Cancers at the end of June. But anyway, let's get into this month's BoxyCharm unboxing. Oh my gosh, I didn't say in the beginning of this video. Did I do an intro? Did I say, hey guys, today's video? Oh my god. I don't think I did. Wow, that's weird. But anyway, this is my BoxyCharm unboxing. Ow, my hair got caught to this thing. Oh my god, this video is gonna be a mess. I just feel it. Let's get started. As you guys know, I always look through the box before I do these unboxings, so I know what to avoid on my face, because we always do these videos in a first impressions try-on style. In case you're new here, hello. This is what the box looks like this month. Very exciting, very exciting. I was actually looking through these products and I am so excited about this month's box. The theme is BoxyCharm Getaway, and the first product is actually a palette, and I was very confused by this actually, because we have gotten Tarte palettes like this in the past. I feel like this is probably the third time we've gotten a Tarte palette that's similar to this, that's in like this round style. And this one is the Be You Naturally eyeshadow palette from Tarte, and it looks like this. And it just has like really pretty palm trees on the front, and I honestly have never heard of this palette before. These palettes always smell so good. So good. I feel like they have a palette in this style that looks extremely similar to this already, so I'm a little bit confused, just a little bit, but that's okay. This is the palette we got, and it's really pretty. It's very neutral. I was swatching the eyeshadows a little while ago, and they all swatch really nicely. The only one that's a little bit like chunky and dusty and not pretty at all is this one. Like, what? This one swatches so chunky. I hate it. I hate it. But the rest are very buttery and very smooth. I mean, based off of swatches, but we are gonna be trying these on the eyes. And this is a full-size palette, of course, and this retails for $36. So you know the drill. I'm just gonna do a quick little eye look, and then I will be right back to tell you how I feel. Okay, so I'm not done with the eyes. I do have to do my lower lash line and my mascara and all of that, but I want to start on my face before I finish up the eyes, and we have a primer in the box that I'm gonna test. But really quickly, let me just tell you my thoughts based on what I did. I would say this palette is good for you if you're a beginner in makeup, if you don't really have that many eyeshadow palettes at home, because it is such a neutral palette, and personally for me, I have so many palettes in my collection that have colors like this that I don't necessarily love this palette. I mean, everything blended out really nicely, and actually this color is amazing. I loved that it wasn't too pigmented and it wasn't skipping at all. You know how sometimes you'll put down a really dark matte brown and it'll just like stay there like where you stamped it, and it'll take a minute to really buff it out and blend it out? That wasn't the case with this brown at all, and it's a very dark brown. It was so creamy and just a dream to blend. I was so impressed with the shade. I also really love the shade I put on my lid, but I did have to wet it to get it a little bit more foiled. Same goes with my inner corner highlight. I had to wet this guy because this one is that chunky powdery one, but it does look really nice once you wet it, and I feel like my inner corners are very bright. I don't think this palette is bad. I do think you have to work with the shimmers and potentially wet them, but the mattes are really easy to blend and they're really nice. The only thing I would say is that it's a very neutral palette and it's nothing crazy. It's nothing we've never seen before. But yeah, that's how I feel. So let me know down below what you feel about this palette. How do you feel? I want to know your thoughts on it. Okay, really quickly, let's try this bad boy on. I'm very excited for this. Like very excited for this. This is from the brand Touch in Sol, and this is their No Pore Blem Prime Essence. And you guys know, well, I don't know if you guys know, but I have, like I was saying, I have the No Pore Blem, I can never say this. I have the original primer that's supposed to minimize the look of pores and give you a nice smooth, did you notice? I almost dropped that. And give you a nice smooth canvas. It's amazing, I love it. And now they came out with the Prime Essence. Okay, I tried to find it on the Sephora website, but I can't find it. I don't know if it's just really new, so it's like not on the Sephora website, but their other primer is. But whatever, I'll just read the card to tell you what it's supposed to do. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch in Sol No Pore Blem Prime Essence. Infused with Calendula officinalis flower extract? Officinale, okay, I don't know. Made with Calendula flower extract, in other words. This primer tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky smooth. Oh, okay. I thought it was gonna be like a hydrating version, even though their other primer isn't drying or anything, but oh my God, they're so strange. It's like water in there. I like this sound. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Oh my gosh, that smells like something. That smells like another makeup product I have. I must have something else in my collection that has Calendula flower extract as well. Does this have shimmer in it? Hold up. It does. This has like micro shimmer in it. I almost can't see it, but it's there. It's like barely there, but it's there. I mean, I'm not mad. I'm not mad at it. Interesting though. Wow, okay. I'm applying more. I don't know why, but I am. I'm just so curious to see how this tightens the pores. I can't tell if my pores are tightened. Can you? I mean, I should have given you a before and after for sure. But I feel really hydrated. Not like super moisturized, but it's hydrating. I can't really tell. Maybe I'll be able to tell more when my foundation is on. I'm not sure. This is a full-size product, of course, and this retails for $23, which is more than the box, so. Okay, really quickly though, I'm going to apply my foundation, my concealer, my bronzer, and my blush, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I decided to go ahead and finish up my eye makeup off camera as well. But all I did was take this delicious, amazing brown eyeshadow and just smudge it on my lower lash line and connect it to like the outer corners here to continue like that sharp angle line. You get me. I love this brown eyeshadow so much. It is so buttery and it blends like a freaking dream. The rest of the palette is like, okay, it's pretty, it's all right. But just to let you know, I'm wearing my Wander Beauty foundation, my Jouer concealer, I put on my Thrive Cosmetics Rhea bronzer, a blush there from ColourPop, whatever, just like a blush. And then I used my NARS Climax mascara for my lashes. Let's move on to the next product in the box. Is this guy. And this is actually a highlight and it's from the brand Steve Laurent. And it's funny because when I first opened the box, I thought it was from Saint Laurent and I was like, I got confused for a second. This is a Steve Laurent, I've never heard of this brand, Jelly Highlighter. Oh, Jelly Highlighter. Oh, is it supposed to be like a Super Shock formula, like from ColourPop, like one of those moussey wet feelings? It says it's water resistant and then it glides on and you can put it on with a brush or your fingers, and this is a full-size highlight and it retails for $26. Okay, let's feel it. Oh, okay. It's not as wet and as slippy and as glidey as the Super Shock highlight, but it definitely feels moussey like it. Oh my gosh. Whoa, that's intense. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna try to put it on with a brush first, and then we'll try it with my fingers on the other side. I do have a bunch of the Super Shock highlights. They're amazing, and I personally prefer applying them with my finger, but we're gonna try with a brush. This is the ColourPop Small Fluff Brush, and I love it. It's my favorite. So let's see. Wow, that is really pretty. And you know what? It looks really natural in person. That looks really, really nice. I like that. And actually, I'm gonna take my finger. That is beautiful. If you want a very natural, soft application, you can definitely do it with a brush. The only thing I would suggest is if you are using this type of formula with a brush, do not press on the skin too hard because it will move around your foundation underneath. You wanna apply it with a really, really light hand. Oh my gosh, I love this. It is so pretty, and I thought it was gonna look chunky and gross, but no, it's gorgeous. I definitely prefer applying this with my fingers though, but it's doable with a brush. It's just so freaking pretty, and it doesn't move around the foundation underneath at all. It doesn't look textured or weird. Like if it's just sitting on the skin, it looks one with the skin, and it's like so glowy but like natural. I love it. I'm gonna take some of my Morphe setting spray. I'm just gonna melt that in. Oh, by the way, as I was applying my foundation, I did notice that my pores looked smaller. Let me tell you, I feel like that primer really did minimize my pores. I mean, I did apply my Thrive Causemetics powder on top, and that will just erase your pores. So I know that that helped a lot, but even before I put down the powder, I noticed that my pores looked a little bit smaller. So I'm impressed, I'm impressed. Look at this highlight now, guys. Oh my gosh, that is freaking beautiful. That is like my favorite thing in the box so far. Okay, let's keep it moving. We are almost done. We have two products that I'm super excited. Well, I'm super excited for this one, but we have a lip liner. This is from the brand Dirty Little Secret, and it's funny because when I was first looking through this box, I hadn't looked at my little card. I was like, okay, this brand is Dirty Little Secret, and it's called Pale Pink, but it doesn't tell you that it's a lip liner at all. Like, it doesn't say it. So I was like, oh my God, is this an eyeliner? Is this a lip liner? Is that the secret? But it is a lip liner. It says it on my little card right here. And like I said, it's in the shade Pale Pink. And yeah, there's not much to it. This is a full-size lip liner, and it retails for $15. Wooden lip liners, they're not my favorite. They're not. Even though I have a couple in my collection that I do like because they're very soft and creamy, they're not my favorite. But let's apply. I'm not feeling this. I'm not feeling this at all. This is a very rough lip liner. My lips are pretty dry at the moment. Story of my life, but this is drier. Like, this is even drier, and I'm not crazy about this color. I mean, I'm sure this color would look really beautiful on people who are very fair or like lighter than me, have a little bit of a tan going. Like, this would be great when I don't have a tan, but it's just a little bit too light for me, and it's the formula, honestly, that I'm not crazy about. It's a little rough. I would say this is not the best, not the best. But the last product in the box, I'm so freaking excited for. I haven't even tried this out. This is the Dominique Cosmetics Lemonade Lip Gloss. Kristen Dominique here on YouTube. She's another Aquarius like me, and she's so sweet, and I really like her. I am so excited to try out her lip gloss. I've only tried out her liquid lipsticks, and I am really, really excited to try this. And I was swatching it on my hand earlier, like when I was opening the box, and instantly I was taken back by the scent. Like, oh my God, this smells so good. I feel like if I had a cosmetic line, this is the scent I would put in my lip gloss as well. Like 100%. Oh my gosh. What is that, like creme brulee? I don't know what it is, but it's freaking great. It's probably not creme brulee at all, but it smells delicious. But anyway, this is a full-size lip gloss, and this retails for $17. I love the packaging. Okay, let's put it on. It's actually a nice pair with this lip liner. Oh my God. Oh my God, this scent. Oh my God. I personally would prefer a darker lip liner underneath this lip gloss, just because the color is already like a light pink. This would look beautiful with a deeper lip liner, but this still works. I mean, this lip liner is not my favorite, but this still works. This lip gloss actually feels really lightweight. Oh my God, it's not sticky whatsoever, but it does have a really nice shine to it. I hate that lip liner, but I like this lip gloss. Okay guys, so that completes this video. These were all the products I got in this month's BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm. Why the heck did I say it like that? I really, 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 really loved the box this month. I would say the only dud was this guy. Like, it was a dud, but I really liked everything else. Even the palette that wasn't my favorite, I love the look I created. It's very natural, very everyday, but I mean, that's what I wear most of the time, and I really like how it turned out, and I definitely see myself using that palette again, especially for that dark delicious brown, which is ridiculous to just use one palette for one eyeshadow, but the box is $21, you know, and it feels worth it, you know, that you didn't have to pay full price for the palette just to love one eyeshadow. At least it feels worth it for me. But besides the lip liner, I really loved everything else. This lip gloss smells like what I picture heaven to smell like, so okay, amazing. And this highlight, I was so impressed with this highlight. Like, I love this glow. I love this box. I really like the look I created, like a lot. It's very natural and simple, but I feel glowy and I feel pretty. I like it. I calculated with my calculator everything in the box, and the overall value is $117, which is amazing considering what you pay for it. So I'm gonna leave the BoxyCharm website down below like I always do. But yeah, that completes this video. Let me know in the comments below if what you got in your box. Did we get the same thing? Did you love it this month? Did you hate it? Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, that's everything. Oh my god, it's starting to pour. Like rain so hard. Can you hear that? Are you guys picking up on that sound? Look at this highlight. Okay, anyway, that completes this video, like I said a million times. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Okay, let's get into this month's. Wow. Let me do that again.